Okay, here's a quick video to show you how to complete the table task here. When we have to square numbers, and further on down in the task, like from question 5 here, we'll have to do a square root. So, starting off with 8. 8's quite a nice number in terms of squaring. It's not too high. You should be able to do that without a calculator. So 8 squared equals 8 times 8, which is 64. So 64 is the first answer that goes in the table. So all these numbers here will be getting squared to get your answer in here in the blank section. Now 17 may be unfamiliar with you for squaring. So 17 squared is equal to 17 times 17. And if you require to use a calculator at this stage, that's fine. Get your calculator, type in 17, use your squared button, press equals, so the square for that is 289. 289 goes in the table, so 17 squared, 289. Then you'll do the following for numbers like 16, 20. Now for this one here, again, some of these you could be able to do, you'll be able to do mentally, like 25, the square root of 25. And we're only looking at positives for this task, so positive square roots. And I'll go to a 5. So this answer here goes in as 5. Now, 729 is a bit higher, and again, that might be unfamiliar to you. So in this case, we go to our calculator. We'll cancel off the last calculation. Now, to do the square root, you find your square root button. And in this case, for me, it's just above the squared button, so I'll have to press Shift, then this button, and that brings up the second function in behind, which is the square root. Looks like that. Type in 729 equals, and your answer is 27. So square root of 729, 27. And that's how you complete that table for the task that you'll have. Don't use a calculator for numbers that you feel you can do mentally. However, do use the calculator to familiarise yourself with squares that you haven't seen before that are probably of the higher number type.